Hey there everyone, how's it going? Happy Halloween. It's been a while since the last time I put up a speed art video, and that's in good terms because I was working on a collaboration the past few weeks. I highly recommend checking it out. I did a VFX breakdown for this really cool VFX video. Nevertheless, you can find that on my second channel, mdigital2, that's for my cinema stuff, and you're watching this on my main vlog channel. And here we are. I posted this really cool spooky skeleton coming out of a bloodbath thing on Instagram a couple weeks earlier. And if you guys know me at all, I love Halloween with a pure passion. I just love everything. And nevertheless, I'm just hopping in Blender. I believe it's my first time I've actually shown off my Blender render, and I'm just setting up the lights here. I'm gonna walk you guys through. I followed a tutorial from Mobox, which is a channel that you guys can check out. Highly recommend if you're into motion design and graphics. But I kind of changed up some of the steps that I took, whereas he used an actual render and actual simulation to simulate the blood and everything like that. And here I am, just basically, I took a stock footage model of a skull that I found on turbosquid.com, submerged him into a primitive box or a cube, and then now I'm just gonna set up my lights. What's key to getting a good render is setting up your lights early on and setting up your materials. So here I am looking into the cube, trying to see what I can do with it, moving around the shadows, and I kind of messed up a couple times because I had like cube and area light selected, but now I'm moving over to the shading layout. So this is where I'm gonna actually start applying my my materials. So here I have the principled BSDF on, and I'm gonna add some ambient inclusion, subsurface scattering, and if you can actually follow along with this time lapse and copy exactly what I did. And if you do, highly recommend checking it out. Nevertheless, here I am trying to get the blood bath going, making it look like it's emerging from within the cube or the pool. And here we are. I tend to take a lot of references on my second screen. I like to look at materials and emulate them for my 3D renders. So we're back, and so here I am back again, bringing it out, trying to look at another image on the right here, trying to research. Unfortunately, I wish I didn't have my screen recording going on my right screen. And this is a good opportunity to recommend that if you made it this far, highly recommend subscribing if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell and like this video. Leave a comment below, what are you doing for Halloween? Now we're back at it again. So this time I found a really cool script on this website that allows for really cool water reflections. And I'll probably leave a link to that in the description below. If I do forget, leave a comment and reminding me, because I tend to forget when I upload these videos. So here we are, trying to re-render, and I've moved over into the Cycles workspace because it allows for better photometry and photo refractions. And basically I'm moving around the lights to get that really cool sheen. And I'm trying to see like if I can cast the shadow or if I cast the light to make it look creepier a little bit. Then at one point I thought maybe I should move it around, have it like kind of come facing forward, but then I thought that you lose the whole entire effect of the skull being there. Nevertheless, I really like how the material of the skull is very synthetic feeling, and really similar to the Westworld show. If you guys watched that on HBO Plus, I really like it. I need to finish it at least. Nevertheless, no spoilers, don't leave that in the comments below. And here I am just changing the warmth of the world, trying to make it a little bit more warmer, so you guys can tell that it's like in this pool of dark blood. And you know, it's Halloween. I wanted to make this look really creepy looking, or something spooky or spoopy, whatever pronunciation you go for. Tomato. Though I like spoopy because it makes things derpy. And so it's rendering out now, and at this point it's basically pretty much done. OBS doesn't capture the secondary window when it comes to this, but I'll be placing the final render on screen, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it this far, you are a real one, and I highly I totally thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check out my main channel and my other channels. I have a gaming channel as well as a main channel, and I'm uploading Adobe After Effects and Blender tutorials on my second channel. Links are in the description below. Check out another art tutorial video, or check out my next video coming out tomorrow. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.